Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to insert a SIM card at the Poco M8 5G. First of all, let me tell you there's a Pro version as well out there, but at the Pro version you can't insert a micro SD card, so the SIM tray is different. So let's start now here with the M8. Okay, first of all we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And in that box you will have here on top another yellow box if you remove this stuff here like that, and at the back of it you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray, and a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. So please take care that you're using the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now your SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray you're able to insert next to the main SIM card if you want, as well as second SIM card here at the back of it, or a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2? It's always written here. And let's start now here with SIM 1. So the contacts there are on top here. Place it well and press it well until you hear the click noise, because then it's well inserted, and this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner here at the SIM tray. It belongs to the missing corner at the SIM card. And as you can see, the contacts there are on top. Okay. If you want, you can add also now a second SIM card here at the back of the SIM tray. The SIM contacts there on top. And you have to press well now both SIM cards from both sides so that they're well inserted. And this is how it should look like here at SIM 2. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. And the contacts, they are here on top as well. Okay. What you can do as is, if you want to extend the internal storage with a micro SD card, you can do that, but then you have to decide between a second SIM card or a micro SD card, because the SD card will require here the full space. So let me remove the second SIM here. Let's place here the micro SD card. So it's a bit tricky here with a micro SD card, by the way. So you have to place it pretty well. I've tried it several times. And the back here of it will jump always a bit out, so but it will be fixed if you insert the SIM tray later at the SIM slot. So this is how it should look like here first. So as you can see, the contacts there on top, and it only fits like that, so don't worry. And yeah, that's it. Okay, and if you're ready now, put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot. So hold both cards from both sides that nothing jumps out now. The first SIM card is always on top. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.